All of this needs to come off. There was a design flaw from when I was putting it together. All of this area is interfering with the backside where the weld is. So pretty much all of this, all of that area needs to come off. So it's not too bad. I mean, I figured there's gonna be some errors. I am learning this as I go along. So, you know, little by little, I'm figuring out how to fabricate everything. It's a learning process. But for the most part, I am happy with it. It does fit really nice, and I may trim it at a later date. It's 9:30 on a Saturday night right now, and I don't exactly feel like making that much more noise for my neighbors. It is a little bit late, so yeah, I may wait till tomorrow. I might do it next week actually. Yeah, I might wait till next week to do it. Just because I have a bunch of stuff coming up this week that I'm not gonna be able to get to it. But I am happy with it overall, because this is just temporary bolts. Just to see what it looks like all put together again. I am happy with it overall. I do think it's gonna work for what I need it to do, which is just to hold the tube notcher. So it stays on here, and I just slide it underneath that workbench, that messy workbench. Pretty much every surface in my garage, any flat surface is a catch-all. It's just there to hold everything else from everything else that I'm working on. It's never really a working surface, but I am trying to get organized. I have a bad habit of not keeping things organized. Horrible habit. That's great. Horrible habit of not keeping things organized. This is why I want to keep things organized so things aren't falling everywhere. And I'm not spending all kinds of time setting up and trying to get to the point where I start working. I want to have everything pretty much set up where I need it, so that when I do need to start working, it's ready to go. But you know, I tried to record as much of this video as possible to help anyone else that might be thinking about doing something similar. Whew, this is hot. Son of a bitch. Now I'm having trouble threading this on. There we go. Yeah, I'm kind of doing this to help anybody that's in the same situation as I am, where you have really tight area, don't have a lot of workspace, and kind of need to keep things as organized as possible, at least for the size of shop this is. If I had more space, I'd probably fill that space with more junk, the way I have here. But for the most part, this is going to be able to sit this way, and I'm going to be able to pivot it the other way, so that this, instead of facing this way, it's facing this way. And pretty much it's going to be able to move around as whichever way I need it to move around. You know, but alright. Doesn't feel like anything's damaged in there. So there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something, or learned what not to do at least, from what I've done. The reason, also, eventually when it does pivot down, these are going to end up down here. That's the reason why it's so long. And I put this plate on here so that it separates everything completely away from this wall, so that when I open and close it, let me show you before I stop this video, so that when I open and close it, it doesn't interfere with that, with closing. So you can open it, close it. You can still use the box as a box, as it should be used, and you're not locked in for the rest of your life on there. I probably could have done it the other way around, put the plate on here and made this, put the plate down here and just kept these up. But you know what, I like the way I did it. I'm not, you know, I'm not mad at it. It's useful either way. And it should, you know, it should work fine for what I needed to do at least, you know. But all right, guys, thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned, at the very least, like I said, what not to do from my video. Learned something from my mistakes. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.